Assalamu alaikum.
If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Like the video and share it with your friends. Moreover, comment below for your suggestions. Now let's come to today's video. Beowulf is an epic poem of unknown authorship, written in Old English, and it's one of the most important works of Old English literature. Here's a brief history, summary, and analysis. History. Beowulf is believed to have been composed in the early medieval period, around the 8th to 11th centuries. It's one of the few surviving epic poems of this era and provides valuable insights into early Germanic and Scandinavian cultures. Summary. The poem is divided into 3 parts, with the first part focusing on Beowulf's battle against the monster Grendel, who terrorizes the Danes. The second part deals with Beowulf's battle against Grendel's mother, and the third part recounts Beowulf's final battle against a dragon in his old age. Beowulf, the hero, is a Geatish warrior who comes to the aid of the Danish king, Hrothgar, and later becomes a great king himself. The poem explores themes of heroism, loyalty, and the struggle between good and evil. Analysis. Beowulf is an important example of the heroic epic genre, portraying the virtues of courage, strength, and honor. It reflects the values and ideals of the time, such as the importance of reputation and the comitatus, a warrior's code of loyalty to their lord. The character of Beowulf embodies the ideal hero, who faces supernatural challenges and, ultimately, sacrifices his life to protect his people. The poem also incorporates Christian elements alongside the pagan beliefs of the time, reflecting the transition from paganism to Christianity in medieval Europe. Beowulf is a complex and rich work that has been the subject of extensive literary analysis and continues to be a source of inspiration for scholars and artists.